Hello, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. Merry Christmas to you all. In today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you how to make the best puff ever. Share the video, make yourself comfortable. Let's get started. I'm using all-purpose flour, 1 kilo. I will add nutmeg to the same bowl. I will also add salt to the same bowl. I'm using the smallest of this spoon. Thereafter, I will stir it. So this is the water I'm going to be using. Is a warm water. I will go ahead and add my yeast, 1 sachet and 1 spoon. Please feel free to check my description box. The right measurement or the recipe I'm going to be using will be right there for you. I will also be adding sugar to the same bowl. I will also be adding vanilla to the same bowl also. Thereafter, I will stir. I will cover it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, guys, I will also stir. The next, I will add my flour to it. I will start mixing with my whisk. You can as well start with your hand if you desire it from the beginning. Guys, don't add your water at once. It's not too advisable to avoid it too liquid. So at this point, I will clean my hand. I will use my hand to finish it. And this process will last me about 7 minutes. At the ends of it, make sure it's not too thick, it's not too light. Perfectly smooth. And it will have this kind of dropping consistency. That will show you that it's ready to be used. Can you see how it's dropping? Wow. So guys, I am done. I will cover it for it to double in size. So thereafter, guys, I'll take it close to my gas. It will help it to double in size very quick. But in case if you are not, I'm going to be cooking now so that it will help it to double in size quick. But in case if you are not going to cook, you can keep it in any warm place. Like 45 minutes, 40 minutes, it will be ready. I have started preheating my oil. I will cleanse my hand again. So the next thing is for me to start frying, guys. And I'm going to start with a low heat, very important. And this process, guys, is not something you have to do with spoon. Just clean your hand and use your hand to play with it. Guys, go ahead and make this one for Christmas for your loved ones. In fact, this is called shop 1, shop 2. They will say you are the best. You can also do this one as takeaway for your guests. So because my pot is big or my frying pan is big, I will end up frying it once. But if yours is more smaller than this, you can repeat this process, guys. So just keep stirring At this point, I will not turn my heat to a medium heat. Guys, please go ahead and share the video. Just keep stirring to avoid one side burning. I will not turn it to a full heat to avoid this draining of soaking of oil. We are almost done. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, what are you still waiting for? If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Be a part of this humble family by subscribing. Like the video, share, leave your comment below. And to all my returning subscribers, in fact, I don't know how I can even describe you guys, but you guys are so amazing, wonderful people, uncommon people. In fact, from the bottom of my heart, I just say thank you all. God bless you all. Thank you, and the one that is yet to come, I appreciate you all. May God bless you all, grant you your needs, your desire. May God sit you on a throne. You never know how it's been designed. For being a part of this family, watch to the end and go ahead and make yours for your loved ones. See you soon again, guys, for other satisfying video. Bye bye.